One. Tell us about the oil that is being transported.
You know what? There was a day I was traveling to 6 countries, from South Africa to Botswana, Zambia, Tanzania, and Uganda, and the South Sudan. Now, when we took a bus, from Zambia, going to Dar es Salaam, then the same bus was going straight to Uganda, I think. We were in the bus, and we were told. We were trying to find out what's going on. We saw many tanks of oil coming from Tanzania, passing Zambia, and I think they told us, other passengers in the bus told us that this oil was transferred or transported to Angola, and Angola was going to be transported by ships to America or other place or some place there. Now, what we have picked up is we understand that the people that are transferring and transporting the oil was the president, I think the last president, the outgoing, I don't know what's his name, Obanda. I understand that he's got tanks, and these tanks are transporting the oil of some former president of America. We understand that he bought the uranium in Tanzania, he bought oil in, I don't know, they exchanged with the mosquito nets. We understand that this president went to Tanzania and distributed the mosquito nets, and in the exchange he got the oil, he got the uranium, and the oil is being transported. The company that is transporting is the president, some president, the former president of Zambia, and this oil is going to Angola. Angola is going to go to America or some places or in Europe. Now, I really don't understand why every day we're having oil getting out of this continent. When you go to countries like Malawi and the other countries in Africa, they do not have oil. Why the oil is being transported every day, transported out of this continent? Uranium is being transported. Uranium is for the nuclear bombs or energy power. Now, and I don't think there's any other African country right now that is making what you call nuclear bombs. Now they're taking uranium out of this continent to go and make nuclear bombs, which, if you're not careful enough, they might use it against you and I, and your children and children and children's. So you gotta be extremely careful when these things are happening, under your watch, under your nose, under your own observation. Now imagine these people that told us that this oil is going to America, and this oil is being transported by somebody in Africa that was supposed to be our protector. I don't understand that. Is it because all African leaders, they've been put there as a puppets? I'm sorry to say this, I do respect them, but the conduct of not wanting to develop the continent and wanting that every natural resource must get out of this continent, I do not think it's right. Leave the oil alone, leave the uranium alone, use it if you want to use it in Africa, but don't take anything out of this continent. We want to see that the technology is coming in, the technology is coming in Africa. This is not a playground where everybody else is going to use any resources. It's been happening over the years, and all you have to know is you're not free. You are not free. You're not free. There's no democracy in your country. All you have to know is things are happening, things that you don't know. And let's say a lot of good or small things are happening. You can understand that. So please, whoever is transporting the oil from Tanzania through Zambia and through other countries going out, please make sure that you're doing the right thing. Ask yourself questions. Are you doing the right thing? And you're the owners of those tanks. Ask yourself questions. Are you doing justice to the continent? Are you doing justice to your country? Are you doing justice to your own people, African people that are suffering while you're transporting that oil? You pass through towns and villages where young people don't have shoes, and you pass through jungles where you see women are carrying firewood on the top of their heads. Are you happy to see the poverty in your continent? Are you happy to see poverty in your country? Now organizations comes in, we're gonna help you. No. This gotta stop. Please, gotta stop. The oil issue, please gotta stop.